Hey everyone, Nolan here, and you're about to watch my Mexico 2018 recap video. A lot of you asked how much it cost, was it worth it, and would I do it again? It was $4,500 US, and it was well worth more than that. You might think that's a lot, but there's people going to college for an $80,000 piece of paper, and you're totally fine with that. I'm already taking what I've learned just 3 weeks ago, and I've made money, and I have 2 brands sending me clothing and accessories. An all-inclusive 5-night stay at a private 2-building compound, 3 meals a day, unlimited food, drinks, and snacks, adventures all day, every day, workshops every night, and now I'm going to LA in 3 weeks for 12 nights to stay with a guy from the trip. AKA, I now have 8 connections across America and 3 in Canada. So do I think it was worth it? Just watch the fun stuff.
Yo, a sip of coconut in the desert. Even when I messed up, you were there still to whatever. Like a flower in an alley on a back street when I found you, baby. I could hear the sound of your heartbeat from 2 towns away. And since you've been mine, you a sip of cocoa in the blazing heat. Once I get you open, I'ma take a drink. Everything you do just keep amazing me. You know you got my favorite flavor, baby. It's been a while since you heard me say, make my cooler than a triple, harder when the tide hits. Even when I stumble, you were still there right beside me. And if you and I were stranded on an island, we could still survive. I could do no wrong, as long as I'm still in your life. And since you've been mine, I can never skip a beat. And even if you try, you won't get rid of me. No, 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 baby. It's been a while since you heard me say, make my everything.
Cody, how's your experience? Sorry? This is awesome.
Baby, it's sweeter than pina coladas and coconut water, so smooth. Hot as the summer, girl, you